I would eat my DoorDash right here.
Are you looking for views?
Because we've got the home for you.
We are so excited to bring this home to the market. Custom home in Fountain Hills on top of a mountain. 4,400 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. And check out these views.
Behind us, we have Four Peaks and the Red Mountains, along with the famous Fountain Hills Fountain.
Oh, let's go in and check it out.
Cheers.
I don't get excited about many homes, but this home I'm really excited to show you.
I mean, look at this entryway.
I could definitely live here.
Yeah.
My kind of home.
I could see myself throwing a party. You have the wet bar, you have the fireplace, the surround sound, the views. What else do you need?
I'm not gonna lie, I'm not much of a chef, but I would cook in this kitchen. Just look at it. A 6-burner gas stove, stainless steel appliances, double oven. Just so much to do in here.
This home is so peaceful and tranquil, but what really makes it special is this primary suite. Just out these French doors, you have your own private courtyard, the waterfall built into the side of the mountain. I can imagine myself just sitting here, having a cup of coffee, a glass of wine, or just falling asleep to the sound of the water. This is the reason people come to Arizona. These views, the weather, the indoor-outdoor living, tons of space.
What makes this home so special is that the main house has 2 primary suites. You have 2 detached guest suites around the courtyard by the pool. So it kind of just brings it all together.
Yeah, so you could have multifamily here. You could have grandkids in one, in-laws in the other, and your own space. For a tour of this beautiful home, please feel free to reach out to Lauren or myself. We'd be happy to show it to you.
And to keep seeing all these exclusive homes, please go ahead and like, share, or subscribe.